everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Angeline and I am the owner of Angelic Creations. So we are back with another quick and easy Valentine's Day DIY project. So you're going to start off with your mug. This mug I created for myself. You can purchase it on my website at angeliccreations.com. You are going to need some crinkle paper. I purchased this from Dollar Tree. You are going to need some foam hearts. It comes in a package like this. I purchased from the Dollar Tree. You're also going to need a pool noodle. I used this in one of my previous projects, so this is just some extra that I had purchased from Dollar Tree. You're going to need some candy, of course, your chocolate. And lastly, you are going to need a hot glue gun. Okay, so the first step is to place your pool noodle inside of your mug. This is optional, but I love using the crinkle paper, so I'm going to use this and I'm going to surround my pool noodle with the crinkle paper. Just placing it on the sides, and I want it to hang out just a little bit. Give it some extra character, make it look a little dramatic, and also it makes it looks full. Makes it seem like the whole mug is filled with goodies. Okay. Next, we are going to show you how to set up your foam heart. So I'm going to take the pointy end of my skewer, and all I'm going to do is press it at the bottom of the foam, and that's it. This is exactly how I attach all 5 of my hearts. Okay. Next step would be to grab your chocolate or whatever candy you are using. Open up the back of it. Okay. Grab one of your skewers. Place a dab of hot glue. Just a little bit. You do not need a lot. And I'm going to place mine right in the crease, but just a little bit above it. Okay. Close my flap. So this is how you're looking so far. And I'm just going to place a dab of glue right here at the edge of my plastic. Act quickly, because we do know that hot glue does dry fast, but this is plastic, right? So you got to make sure that it doesn't crinkle up on you. And do not burn your finger, but this is how it looks, front and back, okay? And you're going to repeat these steps with the remaining of your candy that you're going to be placing inside of your mug bouquet. So I have done these off camera, and the next step is to arrange them inside of your mug exactly how you like it. But first, I'm going to add some extra candy just to make it look cool. I'm going to add extra candy in mine. Okay, now we can start arranging our chocolate. Just going to press down, and as you can hear, it is inserting inside of the pool noodle. Okay, so you're just going to keep going until you get your desired look, until you're done inserting all of your chocolate inside of your mug. Okay, so here's how we're looking so far. Let me give you a close-up. Looks good. All right, so the next step is to take your foam hearts and place these inside the mugs as well. Exactly how you want them to be placed. Okay, so here's the finished product. I love the way that it turned out. You can definitely add some extra candy if you would like. You could definitely place in something pretty, add a bow, add some string. Be extra. Please be extra. So if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure you leave them at the comment section below. If you recreate it, make sure you tag me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.